Yeah, I'm the boss.
If money talks, then most y'all niggas stay quiet. But be quick to blabber anytime you hear sirens. Not tryna be Brian with that baby mama drama. Just tryna stack in bank, 7 digits, comma, comma. Just wanna be rich, I ain't worried about the glory. Bunch of niggas folk tales and some push story. Know some killers that won't leave their crib without a 40. If you try to talk stupid, fill you up with 40. I'm tryna be real, not tryna keep it phony. But like Fab, I'm soaring wild like I work for Sony. You show these hoes love, we just supply the pipe. Long hair, fat butt, that's just my fucking type. 100's what I keep it like I'm Benji Franklin too. I'm not Shaq, but I fill him up with 32. I'm hoping I get signed and my niggas make it too. Flow sickly, like a nigga got the flu. I'm here to blow some benches, not play around with fools. Not a welder, but I make sure that I keep the tools. Want a Maserati and a fucking jet, stimulated mind, blowing smoke, not from cigarettes. I'm trying to be the man and trying to be the best. While my money adding up while I take a rest. Nigga, I'm a shark, that's just a fucking bait. Death comes in 3, so I got the 88. Stepping parties kinda late, sorry for the wait. You could never keep it real if you was born to fake. My money talks for now, but I wanna make a shout. Really want a meal and the liquors by the house. Addicted to this cheddar like a fucking mouse. But I'm not the type to squeal like a fucking mouse. Fuck the fame and all you bitches that just want the money. Cause just like you, when I was broke, I'ma be acting funny. Trying to make it sunny on them rainy days. All white, black rims with the features gray. I'm grinding day to day, ain't no sleep at all. If you sleeping on the money, then just give it all. I got a couple grams on my niggas, 100 grand. If you ever try to fuck with family, get 100, man. I'm talking hollow tips from 100 clips. Dreaming so much money that my house is on a ship. If money ain't the combo, end of conversation. I'ma quit to chase the money, I ain't never waiting. And if a nigga stab my back, end of the relation. He be quick to catch a jab from my combination.